man up.
Whoa! How do you go down and die?
Wow, what's this? First thing's this.
The make.
It's an electric balance scooter. Go-kart frame. Guess they're not selling at hoverkarts. Okay, first thing we got, a seat. I don't think my butt's gonna fit in there.
What? In there. What?
Next, what are these?
What?
These are like,
What?
protect-
Get high? Okay.
Let's take them out the bag. It's a big bag. Four small things. See, I don't know. We'll figure it out. So we got 4 of those. Oh, this thing's fully disassembled, y'all. Put it back. All of this just together. Last but not least. Oh, they gave me a plastic wheel. They showed me a plastic wheel in the
Quit kicking me.
Well, I was gonna change it to one of these wheels anyway. So that's a plus. Ride's pretty smooth, so there's this piece. What do we got here?
Daddy! Oh, we got animal. Oh, cherry. We put it on here.
Some hardware. Oh, nice hardware. Good, good. And this looks like one of the drive arms, y'all. One drive arm right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Yes.
And
No, TJ.
this is where it all attaches, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, to the hoverboard. Yeah. A whole bunch of Allen head bolts. I'm gonna figure out where those go, guys. And it seems like to adjust. So I'm guessing you can adjust the rider's length on this thing, y'all. And some quick tools, y'all. Bolt, some nuts, washers, and 4 bolts. And 5 washers, I guess. Spare washer, y'all. And also got some tools, some nice handy tools, y'all. Doesn't look like it fit, but we'll see if it's on that side. I wonder why they gave me such a big. I don't know. Go figure it out. Oh, maybe. Okay, I see. For those.
No.
You got it. That makes sense. Alright, what do I do first? This seems pretty straightforward. Okay, let's look at the diagram, y'all. Let's have a gummy one first. A gummy bear.
Gummy bear?
Yeah. So it looks like the first thing they want you to do is attach the frame, the wheel part of the frame, to the base part of the frame. That.
He's on the ball. More, these one's coming. The sour. Sour? Sour gummies. Sour.
It seems here the third step is getting the handle on, y'all. And from the diagram, looks like the bolt is facing out. I'm okay. Y'all need to wear y'all mask with all that coughing. Like that, y'all. There you go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Anyway, all right. Let's get this. So this is next step up. Is getting these things on here, like some gloves. Like that. Now we can go ahead and get the straps in. Now this is very confusing. So once you get your hoverboard, you strap them on like that, y'all. 2 Velcro strap, bends like that. Goes in, one side goes in, the other side goes out. Bam, just like that. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Let's get the seat on. So what we got here, where are those guys? So we got 4 washer and 1 spare washer, and Allen wrench, and that's the seat mounting plate. So basically, those are threaded, already threaded. What we're gonna do here is put the washer in. First one on the line. Second one's a line. Third one's a line. Looks good, y'all. Looks good. That's it. It's about to rain. Don't take out those seats for me. Alright, that's it, y'all. It's about to rain. Last strap, I'll put that on later. Oh, thank you. So basically, guys, what you want to do is you want to get the front strap on first because it sits snug on the front, and then you strap it underneath like that, and then you're able to get the back strap. I'll show you. And you got enough space to get the back strap inside like that. Make sure it's straight. Put it in straight. There you go. And then you want to make sure it's even gap on both sides. I'm assuming. So that's not even. It's better. All right. Once you got that, then you strap. Once you got that, then you strap it down nice and tight. All right. Let's try this thing. Woo! Oh. Oh. Man, that's like wheelie mode. Oh!
move.
Yeah.
What?
This thing is off the